So this is a picture of an elephant that I just created via ChatGPT, and this picture is relevant for a coloring page. So in this video, I'll show you the one prompt in ChatGPT that you could use to generate this kind of picture consistently. And this prompt is very versatile. You can use it to create all sort of pictures from different objects or even different styles, and the result is going to be always a coloring book style. So let me show you the prompt and how you can use it. First, let's navigate to chatgpt.com, and then you can log in to your account. And then here, the prompt that you must use is this one. Now you can pause this video and then you can manually write the prompt, or you can subscribe to this channel and then go to the video description and then copy this entire prompt. I'm going to copy this. Let me select all of it, right click, copy, and then go back to ChatGPT to put the prompt. But we're not done yet, because there are other things that you need to modify. Here, you have to name the object that you want to create. In this case, I'll try to create a picture of a puppy. There we go. And then the audience. So some coloring books can be more complicated than others, and therefore, I think you have to specify the kind of audience that is going to be consuming the coloring book. It could be children, teenagers, adults, or maybe something else. But for this example, I'll try to create a coloring book for children. And then the style is actually optional, but you can write any kind of style. There is a simple, realistic Wimmelbuch, which I don't know how to pronounce, but basically it is a German style coloring book with a lot of details. And then there's vintage, abstract, and many others. Remember, it's not limited to only these options. You can always name anything. As I said, this prompt is versatile. You can customize it and you can always get a consistent result. Now I'm going to use a simple style. And after that, when you're done with the prompting and the information about the picture that you want to create, you can click create image and send the message to ChatGPT. And then just wait until ChatGPT is generating the picture. If you look at the example that I show you at the beginning of the video, you will see that this is actually a simple drawing. The target audience is also children. And again, this prompt could be used on any drawing. I have done other testings as well, and the result is almost always consistent. So I guess I'll be back with the result of this prompt. Well, 1 minute later, we got this picture. I think it's very simple, and I can download this. You can click on this button to save the file to your computer, and then you can compile all the pictures that you have created using ChatGPT into some sort of book. I think you can use Google Docs or maybe even Canva to create the book using the pictures that were created by ChatGPT. So go ahead, use ChatGPT, and then use this prompt from the video description to generate a coloring page design for your project. So if you find this video to be useful, then feel free to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.